Join me as I dive into the world of chicory to see if it really holds the secret to amazing health benefits. I'm putting it to the ultimate test. What if you could transform your health with a simple, versatile plant? Chicory might just be the superfood missing from your diet, offering benefits that range from improving digestion to acting as a caffeine-free coffee substitute. Chicory has been around for centuries, originally cultivated around the Mediterranean and loved by the ancient Egyptians for its purported medicinal properties. Over the decades, it's been adapted into drinks, dabbled with in cooking, and used as a beneficial supplement. It gained notoriety during World War II as a substitute for coffee, maintaining popularity in places like New Orleans, where chicory coffee is a local favorite. In today's hustle and bustle, chicory still shines as an ingredient in natural remedies and wellness products. Let's talk about the brilliant composition of chicory. Rich in essential nutrients, chicory packs a fiber-rich punch with inulin, a prebiotic that works wonders for your digestive system. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content that helps you take charge of your health journey. And make sure to stick around for a game-changing tip at the end that you won't want to miss. Consuming chicory can also contribute vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin K, and manganese, which are crucial for a balanced diet. Various forms are available too. You'll find it fresh as greens, dried as a root, or powdered for use in chicory coffee. And don't forget the leaves, which can be added to salads for a crunchy, nutritious bite, while the roots can transform into a fine drink that mimics and sometimes enhances your coffee experience without caffeine. Taking a deeper dive, chicory offers substantial digestive health benefits. Thanks to inulin, it helps regulate bowel movements and promotes gut flora balance. A 2017 study published in the journal Nutrients underscores the positive effects chicory has on our intestinal bacteria, helping alleviate constipation and other digestive disturbances. It's said to help the body absorb nutrients more efficiently, potentially reducing toxic overloads and strengthening your immune system. However, moderation is always important. While very beneficial, consuming excess amounts might cause bloating or lead to allergies in individuals sensitive to the plant or other related species. Wondering how chicory measures up against other superfoods? Compared to coffee, it offers a similar roasted flavor without the caffeine, meaning it's safe for late nights or for those who experience caffeine sensitivity. In comparison to other superstars like turmeric or green tea, chicory's unique digestive benefits and versatility in application, from brewing like your morning beverage to tossing it into a salad, sets it apart. Personally, my journey with chicory has been a revelation. I began incorporating it into my diet for gut health reasons. Over time, I found a delightful lightness after meals and noticed a gentler energy level throughout the day without relying on coffee as my go-to stimulant. With chicory, not only did I find relief from my digestive discomfort, but I relished the transition in my daily routing with chicory coffee. Now for my overall take, chicory is an approachable and impactful addition to any health-conscious diet. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, reduce caffeine, or just incorporate a nutrient-dense addition to your meals, chicory shines. I'd recommend it for anyone focused on digestive health, wanting to gradually reduce coffee consumption, or exploring diverse plant-based foods. Chicory deserves a spot in your dietary habits with its remarkable range of benefits. As a simple yet effective way to include chicory in your day, here's a recipe or two to get you started. First, for chicory tea, steep minced chicory root in hot water for about 7 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy it plain, or add a slice of lemon and a drizzle of honey for flavor. For a savory dish, toss fresh chicory leaves into your salad for a slightly bitter, nutty flavor profile infused with health perks. Balancing it with sweet fruits like apple slices or toasted nuts can create a delightful taste mix. And don't forget about the classic chicory coffee. Roast the root and grind it down to prepare it as you would your regular coffee grounds, and enjoy the full-bodied flavor that's distinct and incredibly soothing. Did you know that chicory can be transformed into a sumptuous spread, reminiscent of your favorite nut butter? By roasting and pureeing chicory root with a hint of almond or peanut butter, you can create a wholesome and flavorful spread. Ideal for morning toasts, baking, or as a cheerful snack, this chicory spread offers a novel way to enjoy its profound benefits. Here are some additional tips related to chicory. Wellness tips for incorporating chicory. Use as a coffee substitute. Roasted chicory root can be brewed like coffee and provides a naturally caffeine-free alternative. Add to smoothies. Blending chicory root powder into smoothies is a great way to add fiber and nutrients. Include in soups. Chicory can be added to vegetable soups to enrich the flavor and add nutrition. Snack on raw chicory. Chicory leaves can be consumed raw, offering a crunchy and slightly bitter addition to crudité platters. Tips for buying and storing chicory selection. Choose chicory with fresh, firm leaves without brown spots or wilting. Storage. Store chicory in the refrigerator, wrapped in a damp paper towel inside a plastic bag, for up to a week. Roasting roots. If you're interested in preparing your own roasted chicory root, slice fresh roots, roast in the oven at 350 degrees and 175 degrees until golden brown, and grind them for use in teas or herbal coffee. And there you have it. An exploration of chicory that hopefully inspired new eating adventures. Share your chicory tales and tips in the comments. We love hearing your stories and embracing this journey together. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss this upcoming culinary innovation. Until then, continue exploring wonderful ways to nourish yourself and those around you. Discover the extraordinary in everyday foods and grow in health and happiness with every bite. Your journey of wellness with nature-inspired insights is just beginning. See you next time with more incredible surprises and recipes designed to delight and enrich your lifestyle universally.